guys, I came to this Providence Mall in Pondicherry. So the mall is big only here in Pondicherry. It is Providence Mall. It is in the central of the city only. So let's check out if any good stores we get any in less price means we'll shop for it. So yeah, let's see if we get anything to eat or anything. I find all same stores only. But mall is it's a huge mall only, guys. You find everything here. If you want, Max is there, Park Avenue is there, then normal all main brands you will find to shop when you come to here. And yeah, so after the Paradise Beach we went to Brew Hotel and freshed up and came to mall to eat something and to shop something.
One hour later.
Came here to eat. This restaurant name is Street Food, so we have to eat in this leaf. I ate many times, and so this I brought new mic for vlogging. For 400 I got this, guys. Very portable mic, very good sound quality. I tested out, and if you want to buy, I guess in Amazon it is available, and it's K8 brand. So just see in Amazon if you guys find it. It is very I'll put a clip of it as well. I tested it, and yeah, so came here to eat parota. This is the restaurant rooftop. This is actually to say. Hello guys, can you able to hear me? So I have came to the store to check out the mic for my YouTube channel. Please tell me how is the quality and sound, and how is whether you can able to hear my sound only or the road sound or the traffic sound. Yeah, this is only Ceylon chicken parota, which is stuffed inside. Chicken is stuffed inside. Ceylon chicken parota. So yeah, let's eat and see how is the taste. So let's taste and see how is it. Thanks, Janab. It's very hot actually. It's actually good. Chicken is tough inside the parota. I don't know how they made it, but yes, it's good. And guys, with this two curries they gave, I don't know what is the curry name, but with the curry also it is good. Street Food, the restaurant name is. It is in the main city only, so you can Google it, or in the maps you can come and have it. So guys, this is the restaurant Street Food Pondicherry. Exact near this statue, if you can see. So it is exactly here. Food is good, guys. You can try it out.
The next day.
So guys, last shot from the dinner, back to the hotel, slept, and this is the last day now here in Pondicherry. We're leaving to Chennai. In Chennai, I'm going to stay one day there, and Sunday I will be going back to Hyderabad, and in Chennai I'm going to watch Indian 2 movie, so it will be epic actually. And I came here to one cafe, guys. So this cafe name is it has a good rating. You can see my bike also is parked. It's a small, compact, good cafe. I saw many people's YouTube videos, so I have came here to eat. I forgot to tell, I after this eating, I will be shopping to my family members, to my brother, my mom.
Three hours later.
I came to this to have dinner. Time is around 9:20, and I'm going tomorrow early morning. I'll be leaving to Chennai. So I came to this place, the South Indian kitchen near in Pondicherry, in French Colony. So it is a beautiful place, guys. Rating also is good, I found, and I ordered prawns curry and Malabar. So let's check out how is the taste here. And yeah, so tomorrow morning I'll be leaving to Chennai at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Now time is around 9:20. So after this, after eating, I'll be going to the hotel and sleep, and morning I'll get up. Prawns curry, Malabar parota, Kerala style. So this is the French colony. Beautiful, right, guys? Nice. Authenticate houses. There are many movies shot here. Heritage houses, you can say. Pondicherry is known as heritage city only, actually, to say.
The next day.
Last time also I stayed here only, and this time also I'm stayed here only in Ramana residency, and this is the room, 2 members room, and this is a TV, table, a fridge, another table and one cupboard, and 2 chairs, and this is the washroom. Very neat and clean, guys, if you can see. And AC as well. Works perfectly fine, and fan also. Yes, only the disadvantage I felt that they gave the fan switch and switches over there. It was little irritating. The light was getting on simply when I was sleeping there. Leaving that, everything is good, guys. The room and all. I got this room for 1500. Uncle, the owner is close to me. He'll tell 1800, but if you tell, he'll bargain and he'll give to 1500. Yeah, and service also is good, guys. This is the room from Ramana Residency, Pondicherry. And breakfast is not included in this hotel. Just tea and coffee is available for 20 rupees. No breakfast provided. And water bottles are provided. So guys, this is the hotel and this is the uncle. Bye uncle, thank you uncle. And this is the hotel, guys, Amman Residency. Beautiful hotel. So let's go now. So this is the petrol bunk, Indian Oil. Putting petrol. Normal. Normal. Yellow liter? 94. Huh? 94 is the liter. full tank. Hmm. She's telling that put the power petrol because bigger cc bikes it's good to put power petrol, but right now normal only is good. Scanner, bus. So it is 870 9 liters. Already 2 liters left. So fourth full tank 870. Card kada. So guys, Chennai is showing 162 4 hours 9 minutes. Let's see if we can cover. We can beat the Google Maps timing. Yeah, let's go. Let's wear the gloves. So here actually the petrol is cheap, guys. So it is a Union Territory state, right? So liter is 94 and diesel is 84. Diesel is 84, petrol is 94. Power is 106 only. 24 was there in the back tire. Let's see in the front tire how much it is. 32. So 32, 35 is good for Dominal, guys. Recommended. So 18 was there. Very less. So by Pondicherry, let's go to Chennai now. See you until next time, whenever it is possible. So guys, I was talking about this mic, right? So I brought this mic here only Sri Venkateshwara Electronics. So there only I brought that mic. And this is the main market now of main street I'm going. This is the main vegetable market, clothes, whatever, everything you'll find here. Main town of Pondicherry, this one is. You'll find cafes, what they say, hotels, breakfast points, shopping malls, and many more. It's a union territory, right? So the price is also a little less compared to other states. Not so much also, guys, but if you take a t-shirt, it is little difference I felt, like 100 rupees to 150 lesser. And alcohol, if you are coming for friends, alcohol is not that less, guys. It's just 30 rupees or 20 rupees different from the other state. In Goa, it is more or less. And there is a lot of theaters as well here. And in Chennai, I'm going to watch this Indian 2 also. Anyway, one day is all. I'm wanting one day in Chennai, right? So I'll be going to watch that Indian 2 because I like Shankar sir director direction. And this is the street which I was talking. That lane where you'll find lot of shops for girls, boys, men, everyone. So yeah, I was telling that uh, Shankar's direction. I like Robot 2 and many more movies. So that's why I would love to watch this movie. And in that Kamal sir also is there, Amman sir, where great acting and cast also is good. So that's why I'll go and watch it. And guys, after returning to Hyderabad, at any cost I need to change my tires. So my tires grip are completely gone. I'll show you whenever I take next break the tire. So I'm thinking to put the Apollo tires because it came with new technologies. So I want to try that. This MRF also is good because if you see my kilometers, 1 minute, 28,000 guys, 28,000 on just stock tires. Understand then 28,000 really good tires. But let's see how the Apollo tires. I heard a lot of new good things about Apollo tires, like lot of technologies in cornerings, in rainy season, in sand, off-roading. So that's what I want to try. But uh, the grip of it might go soon for Apollo. It won't come like MRF. So that is one disadvantage I feel. But let's try. Depends on a riding thing only, guys. Everything. So guys, we are exiting the city. Exiting the city. So this white arch you can see. So this is the entrance of Pondicherry. By Pondicherry, and in few meters, in a kilometer, you'll find Tamil Nadu and the Pondicherry border, where they'll be checking if any liquor is being carried out from here. So it is strictly prohibited not to carry liquors. But while coming night time now, here on ECR road, so don't avoid ECR road, guys, while night time. If are coming with boys, then it's fine. If you're coming with family members, so avoid this because there are no street lights. It is pitch dark. I felt a little bit like that when I was coming alone, but that's okay. I can manage. That's why I came. But if you are not able to do, come from the other road, the other side. I exactly don't know that the other road. But in Google Maps, you can type Pondicherry. It gives two roads: the CCR road and the other road. You can come from there. And this is the border. I feel. Yes, so this is the Pondicherry Tamil Nadu border, and I guess catch me. Sir, they stopped me, guys. No liquor, sir. No liquor. If you want, you can check, sir. So the officer was actually good. He didn't check. So he was little polite. So that's what I was telling. If you carry this liquor, it will be problem for you only. So we are in back to Tamil Nadu again.
1 hour later.
This stopped near this beautiful tea spot. It's a very beautiful, nice greenery plantation is there. So more 60 kilometers from here to Chennai. Guys, till now the ride was good. Awesome it was. Only thing, the overtakes, the car people are very dangerously they are overtaking. So it was little scared, but overall the ride was good. The road also is fine. There is no lot of traffic also. It was good. So yeah, hopefully I should not get the city traffic. I'll be reaching by city by 1 o'clock. Now time is exact 12. So 1 o'clock exactly I'll be entering the city. And near Egmore I am staying, booked hotel. So much traffic won't be, and afternoon time. Let's see, hope for the best. So I just stopped for the quick snacks. So guys, this is how my tire is looking. So almost it is gone, and front tire also almost gone. So after going to Hyderabad I need to change it. So yeah, bike is performing excellent.